Good morning, my name is Kobe. I'm from Treeium Outdoor Living division. We are in Brea, California, in one of our latest projects. We did a complete front and backyard remodel. We used over here Belgard Pavers. We used the Dublin Cobble. Complete driveway, front porch, walkway, patio. Complete remodel of the entire backyard. This is a brand new home that was just built, so we pretty much start from scratch. There was just dirt over here, so clean slate, and we created a complete new front and backyard. Customer wanted to go with a paver that has a timeless design. We went with the Dublin Cobble. It's a tumbled product that will pretty much will look the same 20-30 years from now. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Kobe from Treeium Outdoor Living. We'll see you on the next job.